What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, but this is No Limit HG, and I'm here to explain to you what's been going on. Why has it been taking so long? Like, obviously it's been months. Last video I said I'm gonna be consistent. This video is like 2 months later. I don't know, 3 months later. It's been a hell of a storm. It's finally passed, and I'm gonna explain this to you here in a second. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next clip. So yes, I am in my garage. I am actually just prepping the car, cleaning it up. I did take my stickers off, Goog on them, and I am going to prep the car to sell. I don't know if you understand what the title of this video or just me not posting in a while. Yes, between work, getting a new place, and moving, and dealing with the dog. Clyde. He's just messing with a stick. It is what it is. I am currently selling the car. Now, to all the people that were interested in buying the car, well, you're shit out of luck. People be trying to scam, play around, just acting like they're all this. They can buy this car cash and they don't buy it. They don't have the funds. People just be playing around too much. To the people that try to scam, go get a job, go get a life. Like, have better things to do. This shit ain't happened to me twice. So, and I'll explain more of that in the next video, or the next clip, actually. I'll explain that in this video. But as you can see, prepping to sell, and I will show y'all more about it in a second. So as you can see, this is the final look of the car. This is the last day with the car. Then I have to bring it to the dealership. The deal is already done. I didn't make no money off this car at all. This car is in immaculate shape. There is a few things that I would touch up to the new owner. And if the new owner gets this car and they find this video, please reach out to me. I can explain everything about this car, ins and outs, about the life of it and everything. And I would love to, see it again. If I see it on the road or I see it, I'd love to, drive by it. But as you can see, I did take my stickers off, Goog on them, and they're officially clean. That's no more, Clyde. But this is the last day with the car, and I will be giving it to the dealership, and I'm about to explain that in the next clip. So basically, I brought the car to the dealership. Mark Dodge is the dealership. I will release the name because, it doesn't really matter. I brought it to him. I said, hey, look, can you make me an offer on the car? I'm not looking to make money, maybe a payoff, maybe a little above that, a little less I can cover. No, that's not an option. So they said, look, this is everything about the car. This is what we offered. I took it. I didn't come out of pocket for nothing, although I did have to either trade it in or sell outright. And I had a family member interested in buying a car. So that I basically traded this in and they bought the car. And, it was like a dupe deal. Basically, I did business with them so they could do business with them. But my arm is getting pretty tired holding this damn camera up. But I'm going to explain more about the deal in a second. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I had to get my dog. And also, he likes to drink pool water for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, back to the storyline of the car selling. So basically, with all that done to the car, being stolen, technically stolen, it was gone for 4 days. And literally the car was returned. The cops found it by the time he finished driving. It was a long story, but I'm not going to go into that. With the catalyst pipes and it being scammed and stolen, that was due to the fact that the value had gone down. Nobody was interested in buying it, especially with the catalyst pipes. If you have catalyst pipes, the dealership basically says, no. All dealerships don't do it unless you don't have an engine light like me. I had an engine light, so I had to do the fact with that. So basically, here I am. I went to the dealership. I basically had to kiss ass. I said, look, I know what's wrong with this car. Can you give me a good deal and I'll come do future business? Get a clean slate pretty much. So I did that. And now the car is offered, it's gone. Now I'm selling it, now it's sold, and now it's my last day with it, and I am done. And this is for sure, like obviously I'm not getting scammed, it's going through the dealership, our local dealership, and it's officially a wrap. It's done deal. Clean slate with the car, clean slate with the car history. I'm starting over, and I'm actually gonna do it the right way. I'm not gonna just rush into a car. I'm not gonna just rush into, the buying process, going and looking. I just sold the car yesterday. Probably in about 2 weeks, I will be ready to look. I kind of want to take 2 weeks away from the car scene, and I haven't been in the car scene in a long time, but I'm talking about having a car like this, the maintenance, the note, the amount of money it is. If you know, and actually comment down below, if you know anybody that knows Copart, has a Copart account that is willing to help me out. I'm trying to buy a wrecked vehicle. I've been getting my hands dirty with the mechanical side of vehicles, and I'm actually trying to build something, get something wrecked that's not wrecked that bad, and just build it, fix it, have everything paid for, call it a day. The best thing I can possibly do is have something paid for. Salvage title is also an option, but I'm not really interested in buying something with salvage title unless I plan on keeping it, like something that's worth money. But that's about it with this video. I'm about to wrap this thing up right now. It's pretty much done. I got everything out of it. I got to bring it to the dealership in a little bit. I'm not going to show all that. I'm just going to end it here. And I might show a clip or two at the end of the dealership as I'm leaving of the car, me dropping it off. Yes, it'll have the red and the black key. And that's about it. So to wrap this video up, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to try and release another video in the next week or so, and hopefully the next week. If not, then it'll be a couple days longer, no more than that. The consistency is going to be hard, especially when I had this car. Imagine it without it. The content is just, with me working and me doing my own life now, I've been, trying to get back into it now that I'm, kind of the dust is settled. So just give me some time and the consistency will come. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The car is officially gone after you see this video. And I will see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, turn on post notifications. Comment down below what car I should get next. Be reasonable. And I will see y'all in the next clip. Actually, the next video. No more clips. Peace.